Hi, Mr. Bob here, crypto enthusiast, DIMO devotee, and Turo host. Our project is trying to clean up this Turo mess with some Web3. If we deconstruct what Turo is, it's a matching market between drivers and car owners so they can share cars. And that's built upon an ancient Indian burial. That insurance brokerage is really the foundation of it. So if we deconstruct that, it's gambling. What we propose is a new insurance brokerage that gathers information about a short-term auto rental, about the car from DIMO, driver from Ethereum Attestation System, dates of the trip from a simple calendar widget, and then packages all that into a new NFT that we put out to sell to the derivative prediction market, which is crypto for gambling. So instead of buying an insurance policy, the driver gathered all this information through our predicted drive in insurance broker, published the NFT to a prediction market, place bait money that the driver is going to crash his car, and invite the entire world to take the opposite position, betting that the driver is not going to crash the car. The free market can set the rates. And then in the end of the trip, we just ping Turo and see if the car's still alive. And that settles the bet. There's no actuaries, there's no adjusters, there's no insurance company. A driver can still secure coverage for damages to their car during a short-term rental. Here's Barrett, who actually did all the programming, and show you the live demo. Barrett?
Hi, I'm Barrett Kowalski, and I'm a full stack engineer, and I'm going to walk you through using Predicted Drive. So first, we're going to go ahead and connect our wallet. This is the wallet that's associated with my DIMO account. All right, and I only have one car in DIMO, and so I'm acting as the host car. I'm going to go ahead and choose my car, which is the Hyundai Tucson. I'm going to say someone is renting my car starting tomorrow through next Saturday. So I'll go ahead and click next. I'm going to enter driver details. I'm going to use my partner's DNS, review that. Cool. So now we have our rental agreement here and confirm those details. Yeah, that looks good. So I'm going to go ahead and generate the NFT, which is going to take a second. Confirm that. So we're doing this on the Sepolia testnet. So I'm going to click confirm and just close this. This is just for testing purposes. And then you can see that it's minting the NFT. Cool. So you can see that this contract has been minted. Get a fun little GIF. And then you can see all of the contract details for this NFT. And then there's some next steps about how you can use your NFT on a prediction network.
Meanwhile, over at Ethereum Attestation Service, I will self-attest that I have a driver's license. For example, that's me, can drive a car to attest that I have a valid driver's license. First, we're going to make that off-chain, connect our wallet, switch to our test network, Sepolia, and make an attestation. We'll sign it with our wallet, and gives me a UID that said that I said which Barrett is true testify. This mimics everything Turo wants to see about the driver, and we wrap both attestations up in our NFT for the market to see. So far, we've done everything that a insurance broker would do to gather the policy information. The next step is going to be to hook it up to the actual Augur or some other prefabricated prediction market to publish our NFTs. And there's really no saying what kind of market will be there, whether this will work or not. Technically, it's very possible. Economically, we'll see. All a matter of marketing. In the future, I would imagine bots being built on this to seek out the best opportunities for underwriting policies via betting that the drivers will return the cars in one piece. Could be very lucrative on a annualized ROI basis. And then the bots will have to be organized into DAOs, and now you've got a decentralized insurance company. And once the capital starts building up, we can start writing larger and larger policies for more and more interesting markets, such as liability and health insurance. We're also curious to see what DIMO does with the Ethereum Attestation Service and how that refactoring goes. So we'll be standing by to write the whole thing end to end on EAS. Wouldn't that be interesting? There's really no reason why an insurance company has to charge fees at all. So until next time, we can rebuild it. We have the technology. We just need to put the pieces together. Get going.
We move on to DIMO. Predicted Drive is the most breakthrough mobility solution, and you're going to be receiving $1,000